What's up, viewers? My name is Kyle Friedman, and I'm back with another review on how to draw one of your favorite characters. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw Cyberdramon from Digimon Fusion. And if you must know by now, Cyberdramon is one of my favorites Digimon in the whole digital universe. And in the anime, he is actually one of Team Blue Flare's cadets. So I admire him a lot. So I was hoping if he could be on a show like me, like I will soon. Anyways, I'm gonna get these things published soon. The amazing invention. Anyways, you see how to draw him would to be okay, if you're drawing him, if you must know, you gotta draw his eyes up here, and here. Next thing you do is that you gotta draw his head, his spikes. Next thing you do is that there's his head. Next thing you do is that you draw his shoulder pad right here. Next thing you do is that you draw his shoulder pad right here. The next thing you do is that you draw his arm here. Okay, next thing you do is that you gotta draw this thing. There's his fingers. Next thing you do is draw his jaws. Here we go. You draw his neck right here. Next thing you do is these cyber talons. Next thing you do is draw his fingers right here, his claws. This deserves a little bit of music. that you see his wings are more like a virus. Next thing you do is draw his gut. Here's his toe, his claw. There's his fingers. Here's his third clues. Okay, next thing you do is draw his staff. Okay, so make sure that his staff has this stuff here. Okay. Okay. Well, next thing you do is draw this thing right here. Make sure his wings are all in place. And there. That's how you draw Cyberdramon. If you guys think he's cool looking, make sure you leave him in the comments below. And I'll be drawing up more characters real soon. Till then, I bid you farewell.